What you're looking at now, folks, is the courthouse. We expect Donald Trump, I believe he's in the courthouse. We expect him to emerge through those front doors any moment now and speak to America, and we will carry that live. Meanwhile, as we wait, I want you to listen to what a leading defense attorney, Randy Zellin, said about the prosecution's handling of the Trump trial. Watch this.
They fell way short because let's start with reasonable doubt. What is reasonable doubt? And it's not simply a doubt based upon reason. It's simply about, did the former president know that books, his records, false entries for legal fees, Michael Cohen was his lawyer. Did he intend to cover up the election or to protect his family? It's everywhere.
Matthew Whitaker joins me now, former acting attorney general. Matthew, has the prosecution proven its case, in your opinion?
Well, I think they've fallen way short, Stuart, and it's good to be with you today. You know, I think one of the biggest challenges of this case was the legal theory to start with. You know, the indictment was very weak on what the president was to alleged to have done. You know, all the way through the case, you know, we heard various witnesses who didn't seem to outline a crime that anybody could put their thumb on. And now in summation, you know, they're laying out this 34 counts of false business records together with this conspiracy to cover that up with, you know, a violation of another law. And it sounds like, you know, I was there last Tuesday for the jury instruction conference in the afternoon, and I was confused. And I'm a former federal prosecutor. I've tried cases on both sides as a defense lawyer and as a prosecutor, and I was confused as to exactly this second step in the legal theory, which ultimately boils down to either a state campaign law violation, a federal campaign law violation, which, you know, I'm very concerned about that, state enforcing federal laws, or this tax violation, which again, you know, Michael Cohen's taxes weren't available, Donald Trump's taxes weren't available or introduced. And so it boils down to this, I think that document you showed earlier, which is the gross up for taxes. So it's a very convoluted theory. And I felt like during their meandering summation yesterday, the state kind of was just trying to throw spaghetti on the wall and hope something sticks and hopes they connect with all 12 jurors.
Matthew, the Secret Service reportedly met with local jail officials in New York to prepare in case Trump's actually locked up. Matt, I'm sorry, I just can't see this. I can't see a former president going to prison. Can you?
Yeah, I think there's a very low likelihood, but, you know, they don't deal in low likelihoods. They deal with any possibility. And so I think they'd rather be prepared. I mean, again, this is unprecedented. All of these acts against President Trump by the Biden administration, by the Fulton County DA, and by Alvin Bragg in Manhattan are all unprecedented. They're based on novel legal theories, but I think the Secret Service has to take all of these potential risks seriously, and so that's probably why they did it.
Got it. Matthew Whitaker, thanks for joining us this morning. Very important day, obviously.